Alrighty, hey everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the newest updates we've made to VetRec to improve workflows across the platform. And we're going to start with here on our Scribe page with our new private visit feature. So this allows you to create visits that are only viewable by you. And this is especially useful for sensitive cases, internal conversations, or anything you don't want visible to the broader team. So to enable this, you're simply going to click this eye icon in the left-hand side. And once this is crossed out, the visit is now set to private. And right now, private visits are only available to team administrators, but we're actively working on expanding this to more users. So after recording a visit in private mode, which I'll do real quick here. So what you'll do then is you'll see it categorized under private in the visits page, which we can see right here. And at any time, you can toggle it back. So you can make a private visit public or a public visit private. I'm going to go through our next improvement to workflows in the platform, which is bulk actions. So one thing we've consistently heard is the need to manage multiple visits at once. So now you can select individual visits or select all visits at once, which I will show you here. So if we go to the past 30 days, you can see plenty of visits, and you can select either individually by clicking on them, or you can select all of them. And from there, you can take bulk actions like changing the status, reassigning visits, or even deleting visits. So for example, I've selected all of these, and I'm going to change the status. So now I'm going to change the status to completed. We're going to confirm. And now you can see that all of the visits are completed. And this is especially helpful for end-of-day cleanup, reassigning cases, or managing just a large volume of cases. The next update to our workflow that I want to show you guys is within your team settings, and it's going to be custom statuses. So by default, VetRec has the 4 core statuses, which is not started, in progress, hospitalized, and completed, right? But now you can fully customize this inside the team settings, again, right here. You can add new statuses. You can remove ones you don't use. You can customize icons and assign colors. And so we'll show you an example real quick. So let's say we want to do one that's called discharge. Great. And we can choose an icon here. We'll do a fun stethoscope. And let's say we want the color to be blue. We'll add another one. We can call this one ready to export. Again, we'll keep that icon there the same, but you can choose your colors. And then you can toggle on and off the ones you wish to have there. So let's say we don't want hospitalized anymore, and we'll keep completed off. We'll keep these 2 here. So this automatically saves, and when you go back to your case board, you will now see that you have the discharge and ready to export, where you can now put your patients where they belong. So from here, you can easily move visits between the statuses to match your workflow. I'm going to talk about our next improvement to workflows across the platform, which is contributors. And so we all know that veterinary care is a team effort, right? It involves doctors, technicians, assistants, and sometimes multiple doctors on a single case. So with this new contributors feature, you can now add a team member directly to a visit. And this ensures that everyone involved has visibility, and I'll show you here. So we can add our buddy Saneth here. And even better, contributors can be added automatically. So if somebody edits the visit, adds information, they'll automatically be added to the contributors list. And this ensures that everybody involved stays aligned on the case, so nothing gets lost. This is a feature many of you have requested, and that is the ability to lock your note or prevent edits once work is finished. And we now have 2 options. So if we go up here, we can click the lock visit button. So click lock, and what this does is this is going to lock the entire visit. So that includes notes, discharges, recaps, everything within the visit. Now, we also have the ability to lock the individual note, and that is this lock button right here. We're going to lock it. And now what this difference is this allows you to protect a specific note while still continuing to work within the visit. And this is especially helpful for finalized medical records, preventing accidental edits, and maintaining data integrity. And only administrators and the visit owners can unlock a visit. So this ensures that control stays where it should. Hope y'all enjoy.